18 Ingenious Ikea Billy Bookcase Hacks. The Billy bookcase is one of those IKEA products that you buy for your dorm room and hold onto for years after graduation. The scrap hacker had 4 Billy bookcases left over from his poor student days, but they were not a good fit for his grown-up apartment. Did he kick them to the curb? Nope. Learn how he used them to create a brand new floor-to-ceiling storage unit. Becky, the DIY blogger who pens Inferently Creative, was faced with a challenge: create something super unique using a Billy bookcase. Knowing that the unit was a trim 11 inches deep, learn how she transformed it with scrap wood and paint into a small dresser perfect for tight spaces. Vertical storage gave Susie's entryway a much-needed decor lift. Her husband used 3 Billy bookcases to get the job done. Find all the details in a 4-part post on their blog called The Accent Piece. You can whip up the ultimate jungle gym for your kitty using a tall and slender Billy bookcase. You'll find more photos of this project by Cave Lion on IKEA Hackers. This hack will keep your mountain lion climbing the walls rather than snoozing the day away on your furniture. Laura Irian, the interior designer behind Avery Street Design, used pieces from IKEA's discontinued BORGSJO series to make this storage masterpiece. The good news is that the Swedish retailer has added lots of new components to the Billy series so that you can still recreate Laura's design. Built-in arched bookshelves are one of those lovely features spotted in multi-million-dollar homes. Interior designer Jenny on her blog Juniper Home shares how you can create this expensive look using MDF and Billy bookcases. Take a look at all the details, including her inspiration piece. The Billy bookcase is both affordable and adjustable. Unfortunately, the holes that make its shelves a cinch to adjust can look off-putting. The Little Kokomo blog shares a quick fix that uses a putty knife and polyfilla. Right smack in the middle of Linda's dining room was an ugly radiator. She created a cover for it using wood and 2 Billy bookcases. Now, she has a stylish console with built-in storage. Furniture can make cleaning floors more of a chore. However, off-the-floor ideas like these floating Billy bookcases make vacuuming and mopping easier. Even better, it looks cool. You can learn how to do it at IKEA Hackers. Some people think that Billy bookcases' simple looks are pretty dull. To give them a boost, work the backing. Sure, you can use peel and stick decorative paper to brighten up the backing, but did you know that you can do the same with fabric? You will need Mod Podge decoupage glue to apply. Stores like Pottery Barn and Crate and Barrel sell glass front bookshelves for thousands of dollars. Eric Lynn was able to create several Curio cabinets for his abode using Billy bookcases and Gritna's glass doors for significantly less. The Grytnas glass doors are not sold in the US, but no worries. IKEA sells glass doors specifically for the Billy called Morliden. Peruse the photos of the work by Amy at 11 Magnolia Lane, who used a Billy bookcase to transform an unloved eat-in counter into a functional kitchen island with much-needed storage space. She loved the final result so much it inspired her to make over the entire kitchen. Mara Greenwald from Design Evolving had an Eyesore air conditioner in the middle of her living room. IKEA's products are known for being able to cover up eyesores, and one day she realized her Billy bookcase was big enough to conceal her problem. When it comes to good-looking storage solutions, nothing is dreamier than a custom built-in. El Granto and Kristen, the handy DIYers behind Storefront for Life, share how you can create beautiful customized storage for only $400 using Billy bookcases and molding. What's the point of having floor-to-ceiling storage if you can't easily reach all of your stuff? Kelly from the Lilypad Cottage blog thought the same, so she came up with this built-in DIY library ladder that rolls in front of her Billy bookcase. Jamie, the DIYer behind the Southern Revivals blog, used Billy bookcases to make the most of 2 walls in her home office. The wall features a cozy bench seat. Take a look at the entire office makeover. View photos of the build of this media center along a bedroom wall using several Billy bookcases. It comes complete with Bow Chicka Wow Wow lighting. See how Kate from the Sensational Style blog used 2 tall Billy bookcases and components from IKEA's BESTA collection to create lovely, freestanding storage. The unit was topped off with molding for added dimension. She also added brass lighting and pulls. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.